Today I'm showing a healthy milkshake, a carrot milkshake. I have peeled the skin and cut the carrot. I'm going to boil in a pressure cooker with milk and water. I'm going to add carrot. I would boil this at least for 2 to 3 whistles where the carrots has to be really soft. Now that the carrots are boiled and the milk is chilled, I'm going to crush this to make it into a milkshake. With this, I'm adding sugar and some ice cream. I'm going to pour into the serving glasses and a dollop of ice cream. Carrot milkshake is ready to drink. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Food.